welcome all of you to this English lesson. Today I am going to talk about several same meaning words. According to this lesson, I introduce you two kind of words. First one, synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms mean same meaning words. Antonyms mean opposite words. Let's take a word like this: abandon. Abandon means leave something behind. We can use several other words for abandon to give same meaning. Examples: abandon. We can use instead of abandon, relinquish. Relinquish. Next one, resign, forgo, discontinue, waive, abdicate, leave, quit, evacuate, discard, forsake, renounce. All these words give the meaning called abandon. Abandon means leave something behind. Instead of abandon, we can use one of these words, relinquish. How to use relinquish? We can use relinquish for abandon. Example: he has to relinquish his bad habits. Next one, resign. We usually use resign to give a meaning of abandon, especially when a certain person leave his post or job. We can use resign. She resigned from her post several days ago. Next one, forgo. Another same meaning word for abandon. Forgo. You have to forgo that tool without using. Next one, discontinue. Instead of abandon, we can use discontinue. Discontinue. Meaning of discontinue is stop or end up. Example: we can use discontinue to make sentences like this: yesterday I discontinued all my works without finishing. Next one, waive. Another word for abandon, waive. Example: why did you waive your belongings at that time? Next one, abdicate. Another word for abandon is abdicate. We can use abdicate in a sentence like this: last week an unknown person abdicated his old car. Next one, leave. Another word for abandon. He has to leave home in another few days. Next one, quit. Another word for abandon, quit. Quit its meaning is leave. Why did you decide to quit this place? Next one, evacuate. Another word for abandon. Evacuate. When a certain person or animal leave a certain area, we can use evacuate. While animals evacuated the area searching for water. Next one, discard. Another word for abandon. Discard. Discard meaning throw away. Throw away. He discarded all the refuses into my garden. Next one, forsake. Another word for abandon is forsake. They decided to forsake the unnecessary equipments. Next one, renounce. Renounce, another word for abandon. The Prince Siddhartha renounced his palatial life. We can use these 5 words as the antonyms of abandon. Pursue, chase, hunt, prosecute, follow. Pursue. When we do a certain work continually, we can use pursue. You have to pursue this activity. Next one, chase. Chase means make after. The hunter chased after the deer. Next one, hunt. Another opposite word for abandon. Hunt. That man hunted animals for meat. Next one, prosecute. What is the meaning of prosecute? Prosecute. Some persons happen to prosecute. Some persons happen to prosecute some volumes continually. Next one, follow. Follow means we can have another several meanings for follow. You happen to follow these rules. Why did that man follow her? But we can use follow to give an opposite word for abandon. So how will I explain how to use abandon with its synonyms and antonyms? According to these lessons, we learned about 12 synonyms for abandon. We learned another 5 words as antonyms of abandon. Then actually, what is the meaning of abandon? Leave something behind. Instead of abandon, we can use one of these 12 words: relinquish, resign, forgo, discontinue, waive, abdicate, leave, quit, evacuate, discard, forsake, and renounce. We can use these 5 words as antonyms or opposite words for abandon: pursue, chase, hunt, prosecute, follow. So, however, I made an effort to make you understand about several same meaning words. So, however, from my next video, I'll introduce another several same meaning words. Then see you from my next video. Till then, goodbye, all of you. Bye. Thank you and very much.